Ano?
Ito ba yung white dye? Mahinog na dye, oh.
Hindi, kinain yan.
Ay, kinain. Sayang.
Don't spoil it.
Oh, someone eat it. Yan, oh.
Yun, mamaya.
Ikaw nagtanim dito, dye?
Oo, lahat ako nagtanim ng kubid.
Got milk. One kind of can touch it, Tambi.
This one no, cannot eat because flat. I don't know.
Right.
So this is that kind of a banana. No more bananas in there.
Ah.
You have rope to tie. Where you want to tie?
Ala, ba't na siya flat?
Let's not spoil.
Ay, sayang. Ala, be. Ayaw matanggal.
The squirrels lah.
Ah, yeah, the squirrel will go first, ah.
May langgam ba?
Nishka, where's your plastic bag?
May langgam.
Ala.
No, this one no, pa. Take these.
Okay. Yeah.
Nishka, be careful with the ants.
Mama, you can hold these.
Ala, ang daming mosquito, sis.
Kaya
Hold
ni
these.
ganito oh.
Please, ma. Hold. Please, ma.
Oh. See, they like to go around.
Oh.
Yeah, they enjoy.
Ito kasi pang
Can you collect the baby boy, yeah?
I tell you one thing. Okay. How kind-hearted is a Filipino? That is what I told my missus.
Kailan ba to?
There's one Malaysian is doing investment.
Ah, mangoes.
You clean up the bottom. You
Sa. Avec slowly la. Careful papa the holo.
This is ceiling.
Tambe. Hold papa san.
You're not Papa, you're Mama.
Anishka.
more on the mountain
Madam.
side. But dangerous if you travel by high.
Yeah, you stay here in the farm.
Mama, I want to be a nurse.
Okay.
Pang-rest ni mama.
Ang rest ni mama.
You don't feel uneasy in the walking in the woods.
No.
Too much of mosquito. Right?
No, I wear long.
Hoy! Be careful! Say hi to my vlog. Hello vlog. Hello vlog. Tingnan mo si tita. Dorian. Ay, don't break the things avec. Tapos, ngayon sis, wala mang kita sa walang paninda, so walang mairimit.
Wala.
Di okay.
Very nice.
Suka, alam na alam niya. Ang farm ni May.
This one sour. Oh, this one sweet one. You try to eat.
I also want to try.
This one sweet one. This one a bit sour. You give to ate. Sour. This one sour.
Hala sis, ang daming pinya sis, no?
Oo. Nung nag-COVID, yun ang ginagawa ko.
Hala, grabe ka. Yung mo, lime mo.
Ayun.
Ay, malunggay. Sige, pag pumunta mo ng Larkin, magluto. Lutuan ko kayo ni Manang Biday ng pagkain doon.
There is more over here.
some part. Maano man siya.
Brick.
It's good.